everyone, I'm Gabby.
And I'm Gabriel. Welcome to Wolf TV. Here's the news for Friday, December 20th, 2024.
Wolves, the long-awaited winter break is finally here. We've worked hard this semester and now we get to relax for 2 weeks.
I know I'm gonna go home and stuff my face with delicious food and enjoy my winter break with my family and friends.
Here are 5 fun things you can do with your friends and family over the holidays. Number 1, Cherry Creek North Winter Wonderland displays a collection of free holiday offerings and festivities. Throughout the neighborhood, festivities include a dazzling display of nearly 1 million twinkling lights or more than 600 trees spread throughout the walkable neighborhood, and vending machines that don't dispense snacks or drinks but instead offer the chance to make a positive impact. This fantastic event runs until December 24th at Cherry Creek North.
And number 2 is the Blossoms of Light. Consistently lauded as one of the top holiday light shows in the nation, Blossoms of Light is a spectacular celebration that illuminates Denver Botanic Gardens, York Street location. Wander a mile-long path through immersive, luminous displays that accentuate and highlight our plant collection. A cherished holiday tradition for nearly 4 decades, Blossoms of Light is constantly evolving to inspire wonder and delight, and even the most seasoned visitors now until January 12th.
Number 3, Downtown Denver Ice Rink. Bundle up for some free ice skating in the heart of downtown at Skyland Park. Skate rentals for adults are $12 and $9 for kids 12 and under. Bring your own pair of skates for free. If you need a skate walker for assistance, you can rent one for $6.
And number 4 is the Chris Kindle Market. This outdoor event brings the most beloved elements of the authentic German holiday experience to the Mile High City. Stroll through a European village decorated for the holiday season as you shop for finely crafted artisan gifts and treats at charming wooden huts. Fuel your shopping with a hot chocolate and nosh on Bavarian-style pretzels, fresh smoked salmon, sausages, pastries, caramels, and European chocolates. Check it out at Civic Center Park through December 23rd.
Number 5, Mile High Drone Show. This holiday season, the Denver skyline will come alive with the inaugural Mile High Drone Show for 40 magical nights. 400 drones will soar into the sky, creating breathtaking holiday-themed animations starting November 22nd and continuing through December 31st. You'll be able to witness these dazzling displays every night at 7 p.m. for free.
So he can do the next one, that way you guys can alternate, okay?
My name is Yuri Orozco. I have the students building the walls for my home. I was cooking for our crews over there at the Mines Project, and I was cooking for about 350 people, and the lines on the propane was leaking and it blew my propane tank, which in turn burned my house down. It's very heartwarming. When I first heard about it, I was very excited. Well, I'm still very excited. I think it's a great thing. I really do appreciate it very, very much.
It's great knowing that I'm able to help someone that unfortunately had their house burned down.
We are super excited to have you guys here. We are always very focused on trying to develop new talent and helping out young adults like yourselves that want to do something and are not quite sure exactly what that is. So anytime we can help with that, it makes us happy, and we like helping our community by being able to help out some of these young guys like you guys. So today we're very excited and happy to have you here. Great. If you look around, there's a lot of smiley faces. Some of the guys are very, very into it. And when we started asking them questions about things that we talked earlier, they remembered, they paid attention, they gave me the right answers. Some didn't quite remember and forgot, but that's part of the process of learning. So I think it's going well. The guys are doing a pretty good job. Like you can see, we already have 8 walls built, so it's a pretty good day, pretty productive.
Now let's see what's going on in the Westy Sports Report. Mayan, what do you have for us today?
Hey Wolves, I'm Mayan, and this is the Westy Sports Report. The boys basketball team plays against Prairie View tonight. C team starts the action in the Wolves Den at 4:30. JV tips off at 6. Come out and cheer the Wolves to victory. Wrestling has a dual meet tomorrow against Denver West. We believe in you, Wolves. During the winter break, the girls' basketball team faces off against Centaurus on Friday, January 3rd in the Westy Wolves Den Gymnasium. C team hits the hardwood at 4:30 and varsity takes the court at 6. Bring home some W's, Wolves. We know you got this. And on Saturday, January 4th, the wrestling team will compete in dual meet against Arvada. Good luck, Wolves. Now let's see what we've got going on in the library. Sho, tell us about the Westy Book of the Week.
Hi everyone, I'm Sho, and this week's book launches us into the wild, icy frontier of 1920s Alaska, where survival isn't just about battling the elements, it's about holding on to hope. The Snow Child by Ewan tells the haunting and magical story of Jack and Mabel, a struggling couple whose lives change when they build a child out of snow. The next morning, the Snow Child is gone, but a mysterious girl appears in the woods, blurring the line between reality and fairy tale. Packed with breathtaking imagery, heartwarming twists, and a touch of magic, this novel is perfect for anyone who loves stories about resilience, love, and the unexpected connections that shape us. With winter break finally here, this is the perfect book for you to curl up in a warm blanket with a hot cup of cocoa. Check out this book at the library today.
Hey Wolves, here's everything from the week we returned from winter break, the coming events billboard.
We have had such a wonderful time this semester meeting new people and making new friends.
This will be the last Wolf TV for 2024. We wish everyone a happy holiday season.
And that's it for today's Wolf TV. Thanks for watching. I'm Gabby.
And I'm Gabriel. Have a wonderful holiday break and rest of the year. We will all miss you all, especially all our teachers.
Bye.